this video I'm going to be talking about the IBM update, IBM setup. So I'm going to talk about a lot of facts, so listen to this carefully, some things that are not written in the box. IBM is set up at a key pivot point right now to test 190 to 195. The March 17 180 or 185 calls could be used. Now, this is a great stock to get into people who, especially if you don't have a large accounts and you know it's not so volatile. It's easier to hold than like trading something like Tesla. You have to be very quick. Tesla, you have to be a really good trader if you want to trade Tesla. And it's because it's volatile. But IBM is a really solid play. And right now it's really based in a way to go higher. It's a little bit tricky when it comes to volume, so I want to explain some facts. Right now, I want to see IBM break over 180.50 on some good action volume. And good action volume for IBM is 500K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume isn't there as this breaks above 180.50, then we'll look for basing above a 180.50 and look for it to power through 181. The thing about IBM is it usually does not confirm, with my volume criteria. It usually confirms more with the price. So this is why I have two different criterias. If for example, we see strong volume as you're breaking 180 and a half, then you could easily jump in. But if not, you probably want to watch it base above 180.50. And if we see power through 181, you just go in with the calls, right? So you can use the March 17 180 or 185 calls. All right, people, let's go take a look at the options. Let me go show you this. All right, this is the close for IBM for February the 14th on Valentine's Day. It's at 180.13. Even though you see this down after hours, this is some stupid, I think one share, some stupid one share dropping it to this price. I don't know how they do these retarded prices on the after hours. But if there's no volume on a drop, it absolutely means nothing. But it doesn't matter. We're looking for confirmation, right? It doesn't affect us one bit. All right, now, so let's go to the options, and we're going to look at the March 17 calls. Okay, and let me tell you. So look at it. You can see there's a lot of good trading happening. The 185 calls, they have a better spread than the 180 calls. So of course you can make more money with the 180s. These do cost more money. Anticipation of IBM going to 190, 195. These options will go up a lot. You're looking at, if we go to 190, this is going to be up 300%. This is going to go triple the price that it's at now. So, and they are trading very well. There's good action volume. The 180s and 185 calls are doing very well. People with a small account, you can do really good. Simply buy a couple of 185 calls and confirmation, and there's very low risk with high reward. Okay, people. Power Trick or Trade, I help everybody, whether you have a big account or a small account. If you follow my rules and listen to study my plans, you can make money. Okay, you got to study. People, a really great place is to be a subscriber on my YouTube channel, because a lot of great videos are here for you to read and see and listen. I suggest people study. And you want to know something too. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to explain you how an easy way to subscribe right to the video. I made it very easy. I actually do all this work to make things easier for my followers. All right, people. But you know what? A great place to go is to my website, because I have a lot of special videos that I store there that I think are very unique and powerful, and make some drive. Anyway, let's go take a look at the video. Let's click on this link. All right, so here we are at Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key, people. Look at that nice video background. Yeah, but see this video here? Isn't this nice background here? You see this video? You got to see this video. This video is very good. I outline plan just like you're seeing this IBM plan, where we talk about the options before the move, and then I show the options after the move. And what you see, what you read here, 300% gains in 3 days using weekly options for Google, and 200% gains in 4 days using monthly options for Apple. I usually use monthly options, usually a month to 2 weeks um, left in the option place. All right, people. Another great video, the Senex video, very great move. I really demonstrate something very powerful here in my analysis compared to even you've got to see this video. It's the education is by seeing the video. Um, and then of course the SPY reversal. Now look, February 11th, people, I can tell you on 2016, people were very bearish in the market. And since this plan, the market's never looked back. Okay, and trust me when I tell you, the top 2% in the world can make plans like this. Trust me when I tell you this, okay? I kick ass, okay? This reversal plan, very well detailed. All right, people. So, let's get to my website here, Power Target Trades. Okay, people, see this Sandro Power Target Trade? At the end of the video, it's going to appear in a circle. Simply click on it, and you'll automatically subscribe. It makes a very easy way to subscribe. You'll see the Sandro Power Target Trade is going to appear around here in the circle. Simply click on it. People, IBM should do well. Apple, I've talked about Apple, and I made a very good detailed plan on Apple. And you know what? Apple is very strong, and that should help pull up IBM as well. IBM is really at a key pivot point. It should continue moving forward, and with new investment coming into it. So let's look for confirmation. Apple's been doing really well, and so there you have, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.